You're probably used to the brightness slide on your iPhone, but there's a setting that's sort of hidden that allows you to make your phone's screen even dimmer than what this slider allows. To make your screen even darker, go to Settings and scroll down to Accessibility. Then go to Display and Text Size. Scroll down and you'll see a toggle for Reduce White Point. This basically reduces the intensity of bright colors on your screen, and you'll get a little slider that lets you adjust how much you'd like to reduce the bright colors. This slider combined with the regular brightness slider allows you to set your screen to extremely dim, to a point where it's hard to even tell if the screen is still on. This can be great in dark environments where you don't want your phone to shine a bright light, but you still want to keep an eye on what's on your screen. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe to get quick and free access to hundreds of easy tutorials like this one. Thanks all, hope to see you in another video.